Hello, thank you for calling Blizzard Entertainment. My name is Yasmin. May I have your first name, please?
My first name is Mustafa, and my second name is Ahmud.
How do you spell your last name?
Ahmud. Um, Aichmhud.
Thank
I've just come to complain because I think someone has hacked my Battle.net account because I know it sounds stupid, but when I come in it, it says error code 403 dildo not found.
Error code 4 or 403, and what else does it say?
Dildo not found.
Build not found?
DILDO not found.
Hmm. I've never seen that before.
No, but it's not really a code. I think someone's hacked it. Um, don't know shit about computers. I'm really bad.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out. What's the email address for your account? Could you spell it for me?
Smiling.retard64 at hotmail.com.
Okay. At Hotmail?
Yeah, that was my Hotmail.
Okay. When was the last time you were able to log in?
When was the last time? It was about 3 weeks ago. About yeah, and yeah, 3 weeks. Oh, yeah, 3 weeks or something. I don't know, but I couldn't log in. It just said Dildo not found, and I have a WoW account, and I have a level 85 on it, which is pretty
Mhm.
disappointing. Cause yeah, I came really far, and I just became level 85, and it's really. I think it's possible that someone's hacked it,
Okay. Well, I mean, I
or they
can't find
just
the account, but you said the email was not smiling
yeah.
dot retard 64 at Hotmail.
I'm really disappointed as well as you, Blizzard, because I've called many times, but no one has helped me. Everybody's been like, all like thinking it's a prank call, but yeah, I'm
Okay.
serious with this. It says dildo not found. The dildo not found. You know the thing you shove up in your vagina.
Oh, no, that's not nice. What's
No, it's
the,
not.
I mean, I can't find the email address. I can help you, but I can't find that account. Could you spell it for me?
Oh yeah, it's called SMIL, and I took away the I because it NG, then dot retard, RETARD, 64 at hotmail.com.
Okay.
I've got the information ready here. What method of payment do you guys want to use?
I'll try log in again. Wait. Come on, please. Hey, sorry, that was my wife. I told her to turn it off.
Here on the card.
Come on!
Let me know L like Laura. And the card number, please. On the pin set of 4, I want to make sure I heard that right. With 02.
Have you ever not seen anything like this?
No, I've never seen that error before.
You have never seen a dildo?
Let's try to keep this conversation appropriate.
Okay, I'm sorry. I meant the error code dildo.
And the billing zip code associated with it.
What are you doing? You're all quiet and stuff. You're supposed to help me.
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm just trying to find the account. So once I find the account, I'll be able to help you.
I'm sorry. That was just my ringtone. What the hell called? Oh my god, it was my dad that called. I wonder what he wants. He's a retard.
Do you know the name of the World of Warcraft account?
What?
Do you know the name of your World of Warcraft account?
Yes. I'll spell it for you. It's called you are tard. It's called
Spell it for me.
U dot no U R like an R U R not R just in like the letter R then
Okay.
R tard. Oh, never mind. You suck ass. Okay, I'm gonna leave this call now. You crap. You can't help for shit. Like I've been waiting here for like hours now. Shut the
Okay,
hell up.
cool. Then enjoy your weekend.
Stupid ass.
Bye-bye.